it going? John again, and I got the Landyachtz Switchblade 38. The board is 38 inches long, has a 29-inch wheelbase, and it's 9.8 inches wide. Alright, well, this video is going to be in Flagstaff, Arizona. Great runs, beautiful environment. You may know, it's been around since 2011, and there's a reason for that, because it still kills. You know, not too many people ride drop boards like this, but it still holds up today. Alright, so the concave on this thing, it's got two really nice drops on both ends of the board. Really nice pockets where it dips in to put your foot right in place and lock it in good. Little bit of W right in the middle of it. Not too much to hurt your feet, but just enough to keep you comfortable. Wraps it up on the review of the Switchblade 38. This is a fun board. People shy away from drop down and drop through boards, but they shouldn't, because they still hold up. You still do everything that you normally do on your top routes, but I don't know, they're just a lot more fun sometimes.